Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session, I'm going to explain about GoalSeek, and this GoalSeek is a what-if analysis tool in MS Excel. So use it to find the required input value for desired result. So here it works by changing one input cell to achieve a specific output value. So GoalSeek is commonly used when the formula is known, but so input is unknown, and in coming to the finance, so it is used to find the required sales to achieve target profits. So it helps in calculating the interest rate needed for fixed EMI amounts. So students use GoalSeek to find marks needed to pass or get a certain grades. So businesses use it to determine price needed to reach revenue goals, and so coming to the HR teams, so use it to calculate salary hikes required to meet savings targets. So loan offers use it to find loan tenure for fixed monthly payments. So overall, the GoalSeek saves time by automatically adjusting the values instead of manual trial and error. So we are setting the values. So we need a so finds the input value needed to achieve a specific result. So now here some real-time uses, finding the required sales to achieve target profits, and finding marks needed to pass an exam, and finding salary needed to save the fixed amount. So for example here one example is there, finding the interest rate for desired EMIs. So for example, loan amount is 5 lakhs and loan period is 5 years. So means 5 years means 12 months, 5 into 12, 60 months. So desired EMI 10,000. So we have to pay the EMI monthly 10,000. So we need to we have to find out the interest rates. So here the EMI is known, but the interest rate is not known. So we have to find out that interest rate. So to achieve our desired EMIs 10,000. So we use the GoalSeek to find the interest rates. So here, see that so loan amount and annual interest rate. So here see data here. So loan amount is 5 lakhs. So I am giving 5 lakhs. So just annual interest rate, suppose if you are giving interest 2 rupees or 2% or 3%, so just assume that value interest rate. So here we have given 8%, and so loan period 60 months means so 5 years. So 60 months. So give 60. So we have to calculate the EMI. So equals to find the payments. So we have to use the payment function. So select the rate, interest rate. So see that interest rate by 12. So this is the monthly interest rate. So select the annual interest rate by 12 you have to give. So next one, NPER means so here, so it is a number of periods means 60. So select that column, sorry, select that cell. And PV means present value. So PV means present value, so is 5 lakhs amount borrowed. And so we have to use the negative sign for this. So why? Because Excel may return negative EMIs. Suppose if it is in negative sign. So sorry. So to exact value. So to get the exact value, so we need to use the minus sign. So just give minus, then select the present value loan amount, then enter. So see that. So our desired EMI is 10,000. So how can we set the goal seek for this? Suppose I want to uh, pay EMI for 12,000. Suppose, so I want to pay 12,000. Then how can we change it to 12,000? So what value we have to change in this? So just go to the data and select the what if analysis and goal seek. So set the value. So here, so to value means so 12,000. So here, so we have to give 12,000 by changing the cell. So here I'm changing the interest rate here. Then okay. So see that automatically it has to set. So annual interest rate is 15,000. So when you pay EMI monthly 12,000. Suppose if you want to pay 15,000, then you have to set that by using the goal seek. So automatically set the values. So it will reach our desired EMI 12,000. So this is all about goal seek. So remaining topics we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.